Ah, don't worry about.
Bitch.
I'm not here to cause you any trouble, Lucas.
I'm here to cause trouble.
I'll listen to you though, bud. 5-2. I'll take a second unit.
You better get some.
Okay. Why? What's going on?
We're all gonna be in trouble.
All right. Why don't you come on down here by my police car? Why is everyone going to be in trouble?
He's higher than a freaking kite. So when he gets higher than a kite, he is nasty as all get out. You're gonna want a backup.
Okay. Have you been assaulted?
Not at all.
All right.
I know how to keep myself away from him.
Keep coming. Keep coming this way.
I'm good.
No, you're not. If you're saying that.
Oh, you can leave her the fuck alone. She ain't doing shit for you, motherfucker.
Okay.
Fuck off and get out of
Let
here.
me just go back.
No one needs
Why?
you
What's
here.
going on?
Get!
Lucas, I.
Get! I know it's this fucking car. So fuck you, Joe. You little fucking faggot piece of shit. Fuck you. I know you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'll fight you right now. Get the fuck out here.
Lucas, no one wants to fight you.
You know what I mean? You need help.
What do you? How can I help you? What do you want?
He's gonna have to go somewhere. I can't keep him here like this.
Okay.
He's gonna hurt you, me, and the rest of the world.
You want him to get medically evaluated?
Yeah.
Okay. You're willing to go down to the hospital and do that?
I've done this every month practically since August. Yes, I'll go.
Okay. Five two Central. Yeah, Mom wants to get him medically evaluated. He's going to be a handful.
I've dealt with this for 24 years, so I won't put myself in the position of getting hurt.
I don't want you to get hurt.
This time he took the pocket knife off the table. So this time when you say, does he have anything with him? I don't know.
Okay.
He wants to die today, is what he came home at 1 o'clock and told me. For what reason, I have no idea.
Come at me.
No! Drop the gun!
Fuck you.
Drop the gun!
Drop you.
Did you kill him?
5-2 shots fired. Get me units. Ma'am, get down! Ma'am, get down!
He's bleeding severely from
I'm sure he is, ma'am. Get down, please.
You killed him. He wanted to die today, and today's the day.
Ma'am, go on the other side of my patrol car, please. Is there anyone else inside the car?
There's no one here. He shot Lucas. He's dead.
Stay back! Stay back!
Stay back, people. This is not good. Stay back.
5-2. Call 5-0, please. Negative, I am not secure. Suspects down, I'm 10-2. Yes, I'm at 215. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Police, drop the gun! He still has a gun in his hand. Drop the gun! Lucas, drop the gun! I can't help you unless you drop the gun! I'm right here. I'm on the side of the van. Hey, I need a shield team.
You got shield?
Okay, he's got 2 pistols. One was in his right hand that just dropped to the ground. I believe it's still in his hand. Don, hold here. I'm going to get a rifle too.
Okay. Can you see his other hand?
Central 752, you want me to start the rest of the stage?
What do you want, Central?
You want me to start the rest of the stage? And it's nowhere.
Yeah, right at the entrance. Don, I'm coming on your left.
Back up, man. Back up away from us, please.
On you.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to go up and we're going to secure those pistols. There shouldn't be anyone else inside, okay?
Right. Yep.
All right. Yep.
Move.
We're going to secure these pistols.
You got him there. I'm here good. All right.
Okay, can you take those stairs down?
Yep. I can take these stairs.
Doesn't look like hands are on them right.
Okay.
Nope. Nope.
Okay.
Stay still. You guys got gloves? One of you guys got gloves?
Yep.
Where they at?
All right.
Right here?
Yep. Brian, can you do that?
Yep.
Brian, you want to come up on my right and grab these?
Yep, just a second here.
Okay.
Where do you want them? Just over here?
Just secure the firearms, yeah. Put them in a vehicle. And then Don, once we get those secure, we're going to drag him down and start working him.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, you want to move over a little?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Can you push up with him, Don?
Yep.
I've got you guys.
Going up the stairs. Hands on the back one.
Okay, Don.
All right.
Brian, just go put those in my patrol vehicle.
All right.
Okay, I'm
Glove
here.
up. Glove up.
Yep.
Back one. I got it.
I'm out of gloves, bud. Are those mine?
They're not going in the way.
Tell medics to come in.
Okay. 47. Please secure medics come in, please.
Okay, bud. Come here. Shit.
Yeah, I'll grab his. I'll grab his arms if you want to do this. Here, why don't we do this, Chris? Just like what you do. Okay, right here.
Okay, I'm gonna pull him flat, Don. Don, just get behind him. Okay. We're gonna work on him, man. Get her back, okay? Okay. Okay, give me an AED.
I'm gonna pull this off of
Yep.
him.
What? Okay.
Where'd you get him?
All over, bud.
How many shots?
Hard to say.
Okay. Are you good? You alright, Chris?
I'm good.
Alright. We need a chest tube or anything anyway? I'm just looking.
I got no pulse on him. I believe this is.
You just those two?
Well, there's There's probably more, Don.
All right.
Stand clear. Analyzing now. Stand clear.
47, can we get some more units here?
We got any county units that can help us too?
Start CPR.
Okay.
Chris? Inside secure? Inside secure. You need me to take over for you?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yep. Gotcha. 47, I think we'll be good.
It just said,
Is this S1 right here? Or?
yeah. I just hooked up the AD and it said to start CPR, so I think there was a faint pulse there. You got any more gloves on you?
Yep, back pocket. Back pocket.
Thank you. Alright, is
614 all incoming. It'll be a traumatic arrest. CPR progress.
AED about a minute ago,
Okay.
and it said start CPR. That's as far as I've gotten.
Did you guys check the pulse before you did that? Craig, come here!
What'd you say? I'm sorry.
Did you guys check the pulse before that?
Yes, faint.
Okay. You had a faint pulse?
Yes.
Okay, stop CPR and check the pulse for me. Craig, go grab gloves out of the back seat of my truck. On the driver's side. I don't have anything on this side. Where did you get shot?
It's a couple times in the head.
In the head?
Yeah, here.
Stand clear.
Clear.
Analyzing now. Stand clear.